In this tutorial, we're going to have our first chance to practice by cropping your head, or with your friend's permission, their head, onto someone else's body. So I've got my face here, and I've gone onto Creative Commons and grabbed a public domain image of a family. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop my face and put it on the father, mother, and the baby's head. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first up, you need to drag your face into Photoshop. Just drop it. Okay, I'll need to zoom in because my image is a bit small. Remember those tools that we learned from before? So over here in the quick selection tools, left click, we want to hold the quick select tool, and you want to paint the pixels that are associated with your face. Okay, and I think that's good enough. And then what we do is we right click, and then we're going to do something called a layer via cut. Then I'm going to select the background layer and delete that. And then the final step is I'm then going to select the lasso tool and then get a tighter shot of my head. Go edit, copy. Then we go to file on the menu and go new. And then we're going to select the clipboard option and press create. And it's going to paste. So you can see now that the shot of my face is a bit tighter. So the final step we need to do is remove that background. So select the background layer, then press the delete button. Then what we're going to do is we're going to save that as a PNG. So go File, Save As, select the location where it should save to. Okay, I'm going to call mine Ice and Final. Yep, the large file size is sufficient. Press OK. Okay, so now we can close this. So grab our family, drag it into Photoshop. Yet again, we're going to have to zoom in. So let's go 300%. And then all I'm going to do is go back to that folder, select my Ice and Final. And then all I need to do is I just need to resize it so it fits over the appropriate heads. Okay, try to match as best your ability. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can fix up a lot of the stuff with color adjustments. So I'm just going to go here, and then we'll select background layer again, and we'll go back to get my transparent face. And then we'll put it over the mother. And then finally, we'll grab a small one and put over the baby. So making sure that you select the background. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. So then what we're going to do is we're going to flatten image. So what you do is you right click on the background and then select flatten image. And you can see the color's not perfect. So what you need to do is you need to adjust the colors. So to do this is you go into the adjustment section right hand side. You look for the selective color. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the whites first. So if you go to whites and slide the blackness down to the left, get that down to about there. Okay, then we'll go to reds. We'll adjust the reds. I'll take the magenta out. Put some more yellow in. Okay, and you can keep playing around with those colors until they look perfect. And there you have. You can copy and paste your face onto anyone. So it's really important first that you get permission to do this. As I said, I'm using my own face and I'm using a Creative Commons image which is free to use on the internet. Thank you for watching my tutorial.